Dude, here they have given this is trigonometry 16th problem. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. How to do this? I'm going to tell you how to do this. And now you must take this out. What they have given? First you must take triangle. They have given triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, you're going to get like this. That is this triangle, right angle at B. This is ABC. Now you're going to get they have given tan A equal to 1 by root 3. It's not enough. You need to take two triangles. You need to find out different values according to A and another triangle there according to C as the theta angle. First, let's take this as the angle tan A. If A is the actual angle, we're going to take this is adjacent and opposite to this A angle A, and this is always hypotenuse. Now you need to do this problem, that is adjacent opposite hypotenuse. Tan A is nothing but equal to this one, that is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent equal to 1 by root 3. So you can take both sides as either in the opposite by adjacent is 1 by root 3 ratio. They can be 2 by 2 root 3 or 3 by 3 root 3. So you must take this as 1k by root 3k. This is going to become equal to opposite is here is 1k, and this one adjacent is going to become this one, that is root 3k. Now you're going to find out what is this one, that is what is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means this side square plus this side square. This is 1k, this is root 3k. Now let's take this as x for now, that is 1k square plus root 3k square going to become equal to hypotenuse, that is x square. Now you're going to get this one, 1k square means 1 times of 1 again k square plus root 3 square means square and root cancels out, 3 remains, 3k square plus here x square remains. 1k square plus 3k square becomes 4k square equal to x square. Now this square moves that side, it's going to become 4k square root of 4k square, that is equal to x. 4 can be written as 2 times of 2, which is equal to 4. So this will be equal to 2 square, that is root of 2 square times of k square equal to x. Root and square cancels out, root and square. So 2 and k comes out, x is 2k. Now you're going to get this x is nothing but equal to 2k. Now let's find this out, that is what is hypotenuse is 2k. Now let's find out what are they asking. You need to find out sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C and sin A sin C. First you need to find out sin A and cos A here in this triangle. That is sin A means here opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite by hypotenuse means this opposite is 1k, hypotenuse is 2k. 1k by 2k, kk cancels out, it becomes equal to half. Now here also you need to find out what is cos A. Cos A here also you can find it out as adjacent by hypotenuse. Now you're going to get this is adjacent, that is root 3k by hypotenuse 2k. Root 3k by 2k. Now here kk cancels out, it becomes root 3 by 2. Now let's take another triangle. Here you need to take the opposite adjacent and hypotenuse in terms of angle C. Let's take that same triangle. In this same triangle, this is going to become ABC. The sides going to remain the same. That is root 3k, 1k, 2k. This is root 3k, 1k, and this is going to become 2k. We are taking in terms of angle C. So angle C, the joining side going to become adjacent. This is going to become opposite, and this one is nothing but hypotenuse. Now you're going to get what to do here, that is let's find out different ratios of it. Here the different ratios are, now let's find out sin C and cos C. Here sin C means this angle adjacent by opposite by hypotenuse. To this is opposite by hypotenuse, so you're going to get opposite by hypotenuse means root 3k by 2k. Now kk cancels out, it becomes root 3 by 2. Now cos C you're going to get like this, cos C Here cos c means you going to get adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent by hypotenuse. Now you going to get 1k by 2k. 1k by 2k. Now here k cancels out half. It going to remain as half. Now let's find this value, that is those two they have given sin a cos c plus cos a sin c. Let's write this out. First problem is sin a cos c plus cos a sin c. Sin a cos c plus cos a sin c. Now you're going to get sin a cos c is this one. This is sin a, half times of cos c means this one. Here this is cos c half times of half plus cos a sin c. Cos a sin c means cos a sin c. Root 3 by 2 times of root 3 by 2. Now let's continue this. Half times of half. First we need to multiply and then adding according to PEMDAS rule. Here numerator 1 times of 1 1, 2 times of 2 becomes 4 plus root 3 times of root 3 square, root cancels out square, root 3 whole square, square and root cancels out, denominator 2 times of 2 4, 1 by 4 3 by 4 going to become complete 1. Let's do second problem. The second one they have given is cos a cos c minus sin a sin c. Let's write this out. Cos a cos c minus sin a sin c. Now you're going to get here like this. Cos a cos c means this one root 3 by 2 times of half. Here you're going to get root 3 by 2 times of half minus this one sin a sin c. Here sin a sin c means sin a is half times of root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 times of half times of root 3 by 2. Sin a sin c, half times of root 3 by 2. Now you need to multiply this. Root 3 times of 1, root 3 by 2 times of 2 4. First you need to multiply, then subtracting. Root 3 by 2 times of 2 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 cancels out. It becomes 0. And it's going to become, this is the actual problem. One answer is this is 1 and this is 0. Those two given equations. Bye.